Hey guys, Stacy Julian here. Happy National Scrapbook Day. Oh my gosh, I love people like Kim Hyde who continue to create connection and community around this hobby that we love. You guys, we have been doing this a very long time. Some of us have been doing this a very long time. And so I'm always happy when Kim reaches out to me to be a part of whatever she is creating. I have such fond memories of her. It was way back in the day, I don't know, early 2000s when I was at a CKC event and Keller was so helpful. I don't even remember what I was doing. I think I had to move books over to a table where I would be signing them and giving them away, and all of a sudden out of nowhere pops this cute boy and he's like, I'll help you. And he did, and I thought he'll run off in a few minutes, and he didn't. He was like right there the whole time helping me. So I just have such fond memories of Kim and everything that she has done, and Keller, and I can't believe that he's like all grown up and I'm still doing what I do. So anyway, I hope you guys have a super great day celebrating your memories and telling your stories. That is what it is all about, especially now. Happy National Scrapbook Day.